Hey guys, welcome back. I have something I want to encourage you with today. Have you ever wondered about the history of St. Patrick's Day, where it came from? Is it just a parade that, people made up to make money or whatever? I don't know. No, actually, St. Patrick was a real person. He was born in Britain under Roman rule in the 5th century. But when he was 16, he was kidnapped and taken to Ireland as a slave. Now, he later escaped, but he returned to Ireland after that fact and preached the gospel. Now, here's an interesting thing about the way that he did that. He actually found inspiration in the native shamrock that grew in Ireland, and inspired by its design, he used the shamrock to explain the Trinity of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, how they were individual and yet still one. Isn't that cool? And it's caught on like wildfire. The gospel spread, and he is now credited with bringing Christianity to the entire country of Ireland. So he is the patron saint and apostle, considered that in the Catholic Church of Ireland. Now, while that inspires me greatly, something else really hits home for me, and I hope it will for you too. The fact that Patrick went back to the place where he had been enslaved. He went back, combating and facing fear, loneliness, sorrow that he had experienced there. And he went back and replaced it with joy and love and redemption. And it reminds me of something that I have said for years, and I want to share with you. God will take you back to the place of your greatest failure if you let Him, and He will bring you your greatest victory. I hope this has encouraged you. I know it does me. And I hope that you spread that joy and love in your life. Don't keep it all to yourself. Spread it and let that bloom for someone else. Hope this has encouraged you, and we'll see you next time on Words of Encouragement. Bye-bye.